Welcome to Bonjour Buddy. I'm so happy you're here. Today is your very first French lesson, and together we're going to discover how fun French can be.
French is spoken by millions of people around the world. Learning French can help you travel, make new friends, and discover amazing places. Our first French word is bonjour, means hello or good morning. Say it with me. Bonjour. Our second French word is merci. Merci means thank you. Let's say it together. Merci. Excellent!
You've already learned 2 French words today.
Bonjour means hello, and merci means thank you.
Great job!
Fantastic work! Practice saying bonjour and merci today. I'll see you in our next French lesson. À bientôt! Au revoir!